Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. I'm preparing today macaroni with white sauce. So let's make it. It's so delicious. Please try it home and let me know in comment section. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel.
Good, tasty, love it. Yeah, too hot.
Start. I'm cooking macaroni. So add some salt and oil. Take few cashew. Add some hot water. Leave it for 5 minutes. It's nicely cooked. Strain it and keep it aside. Then we're gonna make a sauce now. Add soaked cashews. So add 1 tablespoon pepper. Paste is ready. Take a cooking pan. Add olive oil. Add chopped garlic. Add chopped onion. Add green chilli, but I don't have in this lockdown, so you can use. I'm using green chilli flakes. Now I'm gonna add macaroni. Cook for 2 minutes. Now add paste, cashew paste. Now I'm adding coconut milk. Then add fresh parsley. Mix it nicely. Add some fresh cream. Add oregano. Quick mix. Add cheese if you want. Now turn off the flame. Macaroni cheese ready. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and like, share, comment. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in next video. Thank you so much for watching my all videos. Bye.